Did you know that more than 600 million turkeys are raised around the world every year? That's an astonishing number, almost equal to the entire population of North America. Despite often being overshadowed by chicken and beef, turkey has quietly become one of the healthiest meats available. Packed with lean protein and containing less saturated fat than beef, it's a favorite choice for millions of health-conscious families worldwide. But have you ever wondered what happens before a perfectly sliced turkey breast reaches your dinner table? The journey begins long before it enters a supermarket. Across enormous poultry farms stretching for miles, millions of turkeys are carefully raised before being transported to highly advanced processing plants. Inside these facilities, cutting-edge machinery, strict hygiene standards, and incredible precision transform every bird into premium quality products enjoyed around the globe. Today, Machine's Visit takes you behind the scenes of one of the world's largest poultry industries. We'll explore massive turkey farms, uncover surprising farming techniques, and step inside state-of-the-art processing factories where every stage is designed with remarkable efficiency. When it comes to turkey production, one country dominates the industry. The United States is widely recognized as the world's turkey powerhouse, producing nearly 46.6% of all turkeys worldwide, almost 6 times more than Poland, the second largest producer. In America, turkey is much more than everyday food. It's the centerpiece of some of the country's biggest celebrations. During Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, millions of families gather around tables where roasted turkey takes center stage, traditionally served alongside cranberry sauce and countless holiday side dishes. In fact, during the peak holiday season alone, Americans consume more than 45 million turkeys. Yet behind this enormous demand lies an ongoing conversation. As turkey production continues expanding, many people are questioning how modern farming can balance centuries-old culinary traditions with growing concerns about animal welfare and ethical food production. Surprisingly, not all turkeys are the same. Traditional heritage breeds such as bronze and bourbon red turkeys can still reproduce naturally, just as wild turkeys have done for generations. Modern commercial turkeys, however, tell a very different story. The broad-breasted white, the breed used throughout most of today's industry, has been selectively bred for extremely large breast muscles. Ironically, these oversized bodies have become so heavy that natural mating is no longer physically possible. As a result, the entire commercial industry now depends on artificial insemination to continue producing future generations. This isn't simply another farm task. It's one of the most important procedures in maintaining modern turkey genetics. Artificial insemination relies on specialized equipment consisting of separate collection and insemination systems. Unlike mammals, male turkeys don't possess external reproductive organs. Instead, they reproduce through a structure called the cloaca. Collecting semen requires experienced technicians who carefully position and manually stimulate each tom using precise techniques developed specifically for poultry breeding. Once collected, the semen is transferred using specialized syringes or automated insemination devices into carefully restrained female birds. Large commercial breeding farms can successfully inseminate anywhere between 1,000 and 3,000 hens every single day, allowing the production cycle to continue uninterrupted. Following insemination, breeding hens are moved into specially designed individual housing where every environmental detail is carefully controlled. Lighting schedules, room temperature, humidity, and even surrounding noise levels are monitored continuously because surprisingly small changes can reduce reproductive performance by as much as 30%. Under intensive production systems, some birds may also display signs associated with stress, including reduced activity, unusual vocalizations, or decreased appetite. Only a few days later, egg production begins. Throughout a single reproductive cycle, one breeding hen can lay approximately 100 eggs. Each newly laid egg gently rolls onto specially designed conveyor belts positioned beneath the nesting area. This automated collection system safely transports thousands of eggs every day while greatly reducing cracks and shell damage. The eggs are carefully arranged onto transport trays before the hens return to their resting areas to recover and prepare for the next laying cycle. Once collected, the eggs are quickly transported to modern hatcheries where another remarkable stage begins. Inside the incubation facility, Every tray enters highly controlled incubators programmed with exact temperature and humidity settings. Throughout incubation, the trays slowly rotate at regular intervals, ensuring heat is distributed evenly across every developing embryo. Temperatures are typically maintained between 37 and 38 degrees Celsius, creating nearly perfect conditions for healthy development. Several days into incubation, technicians temporarily remove selected trays to perform candling inspections. Using powerful lights, they can observe embryo development inside each shell without opening the egg, allowing non-viable eggs to be removed while healthy embryos continue growing. After approximately 28 days, one of the most fascinating moments finally arrives. Tiny peeping sounds begin echoing from inside the eggs as newly formed poults carefully crack through their shells, slowly making their first appearance in the outside world. Freshly hatched chicks are gently transferred into durable transport trays before moving on to automated conveyor systems. Here, specialized equipment carefully removes any remaining shell fragments attached to the young birds. Years ago, workers performed this delicate task entirely by hand, often spending 10 to 15 minutes cleaning each chick individually. Today, advanced automation completes the same process for hundreds of chicks within only 1 to 2 minutes, dramatically improving both efficiency and consistency without compromising safety. With the shell completely removed, the poults continue toward one of the most important stages of early production, sex sorting. Unlike automated systems, this job still depends heavily on skilled human observation. Experienced workers examine feather characteristics, body size, and subtle physical features to separate males from females with remarkable speed and accuracy. From this point forward, their paths begin to differ. Female poults are generally retained for commercial production because they're better suited for breeding programs and many production systems. Male chicks that fail to meet commercial production standards, typically because of size or other selection criteria, are removed from the primary production line and directed toward byproduct processing systems. Meanwhile, the selected female poults continue toward the vaccination area. Each chick is carefully positioned before automated equipment delivers highly accurate injections within seconds. These vaccines provide early protection against several important poultry diseases, including enteritis, neurological disorders, avian influenza, and E. coli infections, giving the young birds a much stronger start in life. Once vaccination is complete, the poults are carefully placed into multi-level transport trays designed with large ventilation openings that maintain proper airflow throughout the journey. The trays are then loaded into climate-controlled transport vehicles where temperatures remain between 32 and 35 degrees Celsius, the ideal environment for newly hatched turkeys. From there, they begin the next chapter of their lives at specialized grow-out farms. Unlike mature birds, young turkey poults require exceptionally careful preparation before entering their new housing. Before the first chicks even arrive, workers spread thick layers of dry wood shavings or clean straw across the floor. This bedding helps retain warmth, absorbs excess moisture, and creates a soft environment during the poults' most delicate days. Each transport tray is then gently emptied onto the prepared bedding, allowing the chicks to settle naturally while minimizing unnecessary stress. Unlike many other poultry species, turkey poults aren't immediately independent. In fact, they often require 2 to 3 days before learning how to eat and drink properly on their own. To help them adapt, farmers scatter highly digestible, protein-rich starter pellets directly across the floor where they're easy to find. Fresh drinking water is provided in shallow containers that reduce the risk of dehydration while making access simple for every chick. The growth that follows is astonishing. Within only 1 week, a single poult can gain between 400 and 500 grams, while growth during the first month can be nearly 1.8 times faster than that of conventional broiler chickens. What once seemed like an enormous barn suddenly begins feeling much smaller. As the birds rapidly double and eventually triple in size, they continue growing together until reaching full maturity. By around 2 months of age, young turkeys begin developing the distinctive appearance recognized around the world. Brilliant white feathers, long nearly featherless necks, and bright alert eyes signal that another important stage of growth has begun. And finally, the moment every turkey producer has been waiting for arrives. Once the birds reach full market weight, typically between 12 and 20 kilograms each, and the barns begin reaching maximum capacity, the harvest phase officially begins. Typically, turkey harvesting begins after sunset. At night, the birds naturally become calmer and less active, making them easier to handle while reducing stress throughout the flock. Moving quietly through the barns, trained workers gently catch each mature turkey by hand or with specialized handling tools before carefully placing them into transport crates. Depending on the bird size, each crate comfortably holds 4 to 6 turkeys, allowing enough space for safe transportation. Once filled, the crates are loaded onto specially engineered livestock trucks equipped with advanced ventilation systems and non-slip flooring. Every detail is designed to provide a stable, comfortable journey from the farm to the processing facility. When the trucks arrive, the next phase begins almost immediately. Each crate is carefully unloaded and transferred to the receiving area, where every turkey undergoes its first inspection. Workers record body weight, overall condition, and other key health indicators, creating the foundation for the plant's strict quality control program. One detail inside the facility often surprises first-time visitors. The receiving area is illuminated with soft blue lighting rather than bright white lights. This specialized lighting helps keep the birds calm after transportation, minimizing unnecessary movement while reducing stress before processing continues. The transport crates are then gently tilted, allowing the turkeys to slide smoothly onto the handling line. From there, trained workers carefully position each bird on the automated processing system. Once the bird has been rendered unconscious, it enters a precisely controlled hot water tank. This stage, known as scalding, loosens the feathers by relaxing the follicles, making feather removal faster while helping preserve the quality of the skin. Moments later, the turkeys move into high-speed defeathering machines fitted with hundreds of flexible rubber fingers. Rather than scraping aggressively, these soft rubber elements gently rub against the bird, removing feathers efficiently while minimizing damage to the skin underneath. Next comes one of the fastest operations inside the entire factory. As each turkey moves along the conveyor, an automated blade system removes the legs with astonishing precision. In less than a second, sensors position the blades perfectly before making a clean, accurate cut. The legs immediately fall into a separate collection channel while the remaining carcass continues along the production line. The body then reaches the internal processing station. Here, advanced automated equipment creates a carefully positioned opening before specialized extraction systems gently remove internal organs including the liver, heart, and intestines. These edible and non-edible components are automatically separated onto independent conveyor belts before entering dedicated processing lines designed specifically for byproducts. In another section of the facility, food processing specialists carefully monitor the cleaning solutions used throughout production. Depending on local regulations and processing methods, carefully controlled antimicrobial treatments may be used to help reduce surface bacteria and improve product hygiene. These practices have generated ongoing discussion within the food industry, yet regulatory authorities establish strict limits and approved procedures intended to ensure food safety. What do you think about these modern food processing techniques? Following this stage, the turkey carcasses pass through controlled treatment systems where carefully circulated cleaning solutions provide even coverage across the entire surface. Immediately afterward, the birds move through an extensive fresh water rinsing system that thoroughly removes any remaining processing solution before continuing to the next stage. Now moisture becomes the next challenge. Each turkey enters a drying tunnel stretching nearly 50 meters in length. Powerful streams of heated air rapidly remove excess surface moisture while the carcasses rotate continuously, allowing every side to dry evenly and minimizing unnecessary exposure to the surrounding environment. Multiple industrial fans maintain consistent airflow throughout the tunnel, ensuring every bird receives identical treatment before quality inspection begins. Next comes one of the smartest technologies inside the factory. High-speed optical inspection systems equipped with advanced cameras scan as many as 9,000 turkeys every hour. Artificial vision software analyzes every carcass in remarkable detail, detecting bruises, scratches, discoloration, or any surface imperfections that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whenever the system identifies a defect, automated mechanical arms instantly redirect that bird onto a separate conveyor for additional inspection. From there, the remaining carcasses continue toward automated portioning. First, the wings. Precision sensors locate each wing joint before razor-sharp blades descend with perfect timing, separating both wings cleanly within seconds. The wings immediately travel toward their own dedicated processing line. The remaining carcass then advances to the breast cutting station. Here, specialized cutting equipment glides along carefully programmed paths, separating the thick breast fillets from the skeleton while maximizing meat yield and maintaining consistent portion quality. The thighs, however, present a far greater mechanical challenge. Unlike the wings, every thigh joint sits at a slightly different angle. To solve this problem, the automated thigh cutting system combines curved precision blades with intelligent pressure sensors that locate the joint's natural separation point before completing the cut with remarkable accuracy. Finally, everything arrives at the packaging department. Remember the liver, heart, breast meat, thighs, and every other portion separated earlier? Now they all reunite on one final production line. Every cut passes across highly accurate electronic scales capable of measuring weight down to the gram before automated tray sealing and vacuum packaging systems prepare retail-ready products. Each package receives detailed labeling that includes not only production information but also a QR code capable of tracing the product's complete journey, from the farm where the bird was raised to the processing facility where it was packaged. Every minute, hundreds of perfectly prepared portions are inspected, sealed, and transferred directly into refrigerated storage, waiting to be shipped to supermarkets and restaurants around the world. From modern turkey farms to fully automated processing plants, every stage reflects the incredible scale of today's global food supply chain, a system where agriculture, engineering, logistics, and food science work together with astonishing precision. So the next time you enjoy a perfectly roasted holiday turkey or bite into a turkey sandwich, remember, behind every delicious meal lies an enormous network of technology, careful planning, and countless people working together to deliver safe, high-quality food to millions of families every single day. Music. Now let's turn to another food loved by breakfast lovers everywhere. Did you know that more than 50 million tons of pork are produced around the world every year, with a significant portion eventually becoming one of the world's most irresistible breakfast favorites? Bacon.